When linking files back to our Revit project from BIM360, we can use two main techniques. The first one is controlled sharing, where we link files from the shared folder. Within BIM360, we have defined our shared folder as the Group 1 Working Project area. Expanding this folder, we can explore this is split into three teams: Architecture, MEP and Structure. Each one of these folders is the shared area within this project. As we explore into the Architecture shared folder, you will see there is already an existing IFC and Revit project. Each of the shared folders contains the shared information from each of the teams. When the model author shares a package in design collaboration, a copy of the model is automatically placed in these folders. If your team wants to automatically have these newly shared folders linked, it can simply link them directly to this shared folder. Within the Revit environment, we can now link in from this shared folder. Go into the Manage tab and then selecting Manage Links, we can now begin the process of linking in the Revit file from this shared folder. Selecting the Add button and then navigating to our BIM360 project, we can simply select the file that exists within this shared folder. Selecting the External References shortcut, we can then select our BIM360 hub, then select our project, then select the Group 1 Work in Progress area. Here we can choose our shared folder. In this instance, I'm going to select the structure, then choose the shared structural file. Selecting the file, then select Open. This will then link in the Revit structure project from this shared folder. Once the file is linked, we can select OK to complete the process. We have now linked in the Revit project from the structure shared folder. The second method is to use controlled sharing via the Consume folder. Using this workflow, the model author will first publish their model, then they can link in the Revit file from the Publish function. Using this workflow, the model author will first publish their model. They can do this from either using the Revit Publish function or using the Update to Latest button from within Design Collaboration. They then make their model shareable by creating a new package and then sharing it with the team. Once shared, the team can then consume this model into their team environment. We can explore this by expanding Group 1 Work in Progress, then selecting the Architecture team. Here you will see there is now a consumed folder created. Within this consumed folder is then each team's content. Within the MEP folder, you will see that we have consumed an IFC file and a mechanical Revit file. We can now use a similar process to link in these consumed models. Back within Revit again, we can choose Manage Links. In this instance, I'm going to link in an IFC from the consumed folder. Selecting the Add button, I can then browse to my project within BIM360. Selecting the BIM360 project, I can now select my BIM360 hub, then my project, and then I can choose my shared environment. Here I'm choosing the Group 1 Work in Progress, then choose my Architecture folder and navigate to my Consumed folder. Within the Consumed folder, I can then link in the IFC file in which I have consumed via Design Collaboration. Selecting the IFC file, I can then click Open, and this will then link the file in from this consumed folder. Once the file is added, we can then simply select OK to complete the process. We have now successfully linked in the IFC file from the consumed folder within BIM360.